Hi guys, hope you're all doing well and staying safe. Just taking a quick look at the garden. This might not be here when the storm goes over. Just wanted to spend a little time looking around and taking it all in. Hopefully there will not be too much damage and we will still have some bananas and plantains and the sugar cane and especially the breadfruit tree still standing. Last year, Beryl took out most of it, and what you see here is what survived and has started to thrive and even now bearing some fruit. So, fingers crossed that it will survive and continue to bring forth much more fruits. We have a few bunches of banana. I have already harvested some so that we can have something to eat during the storm. So that was part of my prepping. And I also went and foraged for some avocados. So we'll make that into a meal. But stay safe, everyone, and hope to see you on the other side of this.